In a time when Donald Trump is claiming the United States is bankrupt and the world is ending, U.S. stocks closed Monday mixed as investors looked to a key earnings report and a slew of economic data points due later this week. The Dow closed 65 points, or 0.2%, higher on Monday to a new record high of 41,241. The S&P 500 fell 0.3%. And the Nasdaq Composite lost 0.9%. Just weeks later, the narrative has changed yet again. All three major U.S. stock indexes have now clawed back those losses, and then some, on track to notch monthly gains. A slew of cooling inflation reports has investors riding high on optimism that the Federal Reserve will finally begin cutting interest rates next month after bringing rates to their highest level in decades. Axios is reporting the sense of global gloom is abating. The world is no longer on fire. That's the central takeaway from the annual assemblage of the grandees of global economics in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, that concluded Saturday. Global central bankers largely feel that a long period in which the world economy has been whipsawed has come to an end, and that the outlook is for a return to steady growth and low inflation. Now, the Fed is set to join its counterparts around the world in cutting interest rates next month. Inflation is within sight of the 2% central banks aim for in much of the world. Right now, by and large, the world's economies are doing pretty well, and the U.S. economy is doing very well, Alan Blinder, a former Fed vice chair, said. The bottom line, if you look at the basic underpinnings of the U.S. economy, they look pretty solid, Harvard's Karen Dinan told Axios on the sidelines of the conference, hosted each year by the Kansas City Fed.